So guys, I've cleaned my bike. Now I'm going to do the exhaust modifications. I'm going to get the FMF Q4 on and remove the stock exhaust from the bike. To do that, first we'll have to remove the heat sealed cover off. For that we'll need to be removing these two bolts first, this one and this one. Then after that we're going to remove the clamp that's present inside the header. This attaches the exhaust to the header pipe. After that we're going to remove this one. After removal the exhaust will be ready to be taken off. And yeah, there's also one more bolt you can see in this corner. We'll have to remove that one as well. So after removing these few bolts, the exhaust can be taken off. So let us start the work. So this is the first part of the installation. We're removing the exhaust, and I just loosened the two bolts for the heat seal, and the seal can be taken off. So now it will be easier to access the inner bolts of this exhaust pipe. So we have just figured out that we need to loosen the inner clamp. So to reach to that clamp, we'll have to take the side panel off. To take the side panel off, just remove this bolt over here. Remove the side panel off. So this comes off. After that, what we can do is, I think we'll also have to remove the air filter box. In order to reach that, it will be easier. So we're just gonna remove this air filter box. There are 4 Phillips screws. We're gonna unscrew them. So here comes the air filter box. So we'll need a 12mm wrench head to remove the 3 bolts that is connecting the stock exhaust with the header pipe. And first I'm going to loosen this clamp. Then we're going to remove the 2 bolts. So let's start the work. You'll need all these screws that we've taken out, so just make sure that you place them somewhere you can find them, don't lose them. This knot, I think we'll have to access from the back side. Now we've just removed these 3 bolts and I'm holding on to the exhaust. It's trying to get off from the bike. You'll have to wiggle a bit and then get the exhaust out of the header pipe slowly. Okay guys, now we're done with the removal part. So the first step is completed.